Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to activate your HDFC Forex card. So please watch till then to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on HDFC, you can use the link in the description and you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to log in with your account on the HDFC website. So this is their main website. And after you go to this website, just log in your account. And after logging in your account, you will be redirected to this homepage. And what you're going to do is to just hover your mouse on the pay sections right here on the right side of the homepage. And under the pay section, under the cards, you will see forex cards right here. So just click this one, forex cards. So after you click this, you will be redirected to this page where you can suggest what the best card for you, and this is where you can buy your forex card online. So if you want, you can choose your currency, your preferred currency of your forex card, and also what is the purpose of buying a forex card. So after that, you can just click suggest cards, and a bunch of HDFC cards will pop up based on your criteria right here. So you can just choose whatever forex cards you want to activate or apply. So if you want to know more about that specific forex card, just click know more, so you know more about that forex card, and you will find out the the criteria that you need to have in order to apply for that forex card. So of course you can also scroll down below the cards to see the criteria for applying a forex card. You can you must be a resident of that country where that forex card can be purchased. You must be 18 years old, etc., etc. Also, you need these documents to apply for a forex card, and also you will find some charges based on the forex card you will purchase. So if you scroll down more, you will find the actual steps, the general step. This is not actually the actual steps. This is just the general step, because every forex card, HDFC forex card, have their own application method. So this is just the general methods. So you can read it if you want. So now if you find your preferred HDFC forex card, you can just click apply now to apply for the card and purchase it. And right here, as you can see, if you click apply now, you will be redirected to this page where we will need to fulfill all of these steps. And after you done all of the steps, you can now just purchase your forex card and activate it right here. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can buy HDFC forex cards and activate it. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.